Salmon steaks have 3 sets of bones that need to get removed. The rib bones that run along the cavity, pin bones which run across this way, and vertebrae, which is right in the center. First things first, make sure you've got a really nice, flexible fillet knife or boning knife. This one from Opinel is pretty perfect. Insert it here and then slice all the way down, all the way through, and then flip it and do the other side, trying not to take off too much of that delicious belly meat. Bones generally stop towards the end of the belly section. So now we just need to remove the vertebrae. So cut around it. A pair of scissors actually works pretty well too. Cut on either side, releasing it, and then cut straight down. Easy, see? Next, what we want to do is remove the pin bones. And run your finger all the way down. There's not going to be that many. Pull them in the direction that they lie. Do it again on the other side. Now what you have are basically 2 fillets connected at the top. There will be some bones up in here, but these are easy to avoid. So when you're serving, you'll just want to cut it back that way. Or what's nice about this is that you can roll it into big, meaty, circular steak. Tie it with a ribbon, and you're good to go. Beautiful.